In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic 2 Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Mission 2011 MCQs, that is, let M23 be a vector space of all 2/3 matrices over R. The dimensions of M23 R4 is equal to solution theorem, that is, let x and y be vector spaces over the field F with dimension x equal to m and dimension y is equal to n, then dimension of xy is equal to mn. Since dimension into m23 r power 4 is equal to dimension of m into 23 dimension of r power 4, so value by substitution, the value that is 2/3 multiply 4, so 2 3 times is 6, 6 4 times is 24, so option D is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.